truth is, we all need to have extra income that is passive, or something that we can do with little to no effort in 2023. We have busy lives, we work, we have children, we are married, and have demanding careers. We have to make the best of the time we have. The only real way to make an impact on your income is to make money in your sleep. Imagine creating something once and it pays you forever. Today is your lucky day because I'm about to share with you 7 incredibly simple ways to earn some extra cash. Some of these even allow you to make money while you relax at home. We'll begin with the least active methods and we'll move towards ways that require very little effort. Stick around till the end, as I'll also show you my favorite money-making trick that's been helping me earn some extra bucks. So, if you're ready to make money without spending a dime, give that like button a click, hit subscribe, and let's explore these fantastic money-making opportunities. Let's start with a simple way to make some money easily. First, go to wirestock.io, a website where you can sell photos, videos, and AI-created art using free AI tools. People are finding different ways to earn on this platform. For instance, in the challenges section, there's a 48-hour challenge to create a character from horror to hero using an AI tool. You could win $100 for just uploading one photo. You can even use tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to make these images. You can change the character as you like, click Generate, and it's done with just one click. As you can see, it looks pretty cool. After that, download the image and upload it to wirestock.io. To get started, make an account on wirestock.io and choose whether you want to sell AI-generated content or something else. If you want an easy way to make money, using AI is a good idea. Upload your first piece of content and you can see how much you've earned and how many times it's been downloaded. You can make money online on wirestock.io by uploading as much content as possible. If someone buys your content or you win one of those challenges, you can make money without putting in much work. As you've seen, it only takes one click to create these images. Now let's move on to the second incredibly easy way to earn money online is by simply watching YouTube videos, just like the one you're watching right now. If you visit cashstars.com, you can get paid for watching videos, searching on Google Play Games, writing posts, promoting offers, and much more. The unique thing about this app is that it's one of the few that allows you to make a decent income without putting in much effort. However, they don't accept everyone, so you'll need to provide your name and email address. Then click Join Priority Waitlist. It may take up to 2 months to receive an email response. While it requires some patience, once you're accepted, you have the potential to earn thousands of dollars in an enjoyable way. The third way to make money online easily is a well-known method: making money on YouTube without being on camera. However, what often gets overlooked is the extracting web content, and Scholar AI for conducting professional research and locating studies on various subjects. These tools can be highly beneficial for tasks that involve research or script writing. Instead of relying on someone else or a church member to write a script for you, you can efficiently and professionally handle it using tools like ChatGPT. The next easy way to earn money is by becoming a laid-back AI musician. There's a website called moobert.com, where you can use an AI tool to create music and songs just by giving it a simple command. You can type in a request or choose a music style or mood, and it will compose a song for you. You can also set the duration and click Generate Track, and the AI will do the rest. To make money from this, you can offer your AI-generated music services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to clients who need copyright-free music. While it may not pay a lot, you can potentially earn some income without doing the actual creative work. Now, as a bonus for sticking around till the end of the video, I have something extra for you. I won't just share one app that allows you to make money online without much effort, because one app alone won't bring in significant income. However, when combined with several other apps, you can substantially increase your earnings without much effort. The first app in this lineup is called SMS Cashback, which you can find at smscashback.com. This app lets you make money by simply receiving text messages. You don't even need to read or open these messages. You can use an inactive phone and connect it to this app to earn money effortlessly. However, it doesn't pay much, around $60 per month with multiple SIM cards, or $20 per month with only one. That's why I want to introduce you to multiple apps. The second app is Repocket, and it offers various ways to make money. You can earn by sharing your internet data with just a single button press. Additionally, you can get paid for completing surveys, tasks, and offers, as well as referring other users. It's completely free, but as of now, it's available only for Android users. Moving on to the third app, Phones app, available for both iOS and Android. This app lets you make money by sharing your internet data, requiring minimal effort on your part.